Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. For many years, we have been developing Japanese to English conversion solutions for instrument clusters in various makes and models: Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, Mazda, Suzuki. In this video, we show you our development for Nissan Kicks e-Power instrument cluster. Nissan Kicks, manufactured for Japanese domestic market and imported from Japan to New Zealand, Australia and other countries, comes in Japanese only. All menus, notifications and warning messages in its sophisticated instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. What you see on the screen when you first turn the power on is only a tip of the iceberg. Having just a few warning lights on the dash in the car is now a history. There are hundreds of pop-up guidance messages, notifications related to maintenance reminders about oil change or tire rotation, pop-up messages related to different driving situations, messages about activation and deactivation of various systems, their extreme conditions or faults, and messages suggesting to take immediate actions like park in a safe place. This vehicle is equipped with various smart systems providing safety, convenience, and driver assist. Modern instrument cluster serves now as an extension to the user manual. When we were converting few modern instrument clusters, including this one, we've noticed that user manuals for modern cars do not list all those guiding and warning messages. That means that even if your dealer provided you with the original Japanese manual, which is not always the case, or if they have provided you with translated version, which would be quite rare, and you have scrutinized entire manual, you would not find those hundreds of messages which may pop up on the screen while driving. What's even worse, they are all in Japanese in original cluster. We took that inconvenience away and translated all interface, including all menus and all messages, to English. After conversion, instrument cluster displays notifications, statistics in English, and offers selection of various settings in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any guidelines, notifications, and warning messages will now pop up in English. We have process and procedures in place to make conversion of your instrument cluster quick, simple, and convenient regardless of where you are in New Zealand, UK, or Australia. Thank you for watching.